Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup Nisha Madhulika, only ways. Start by roasting ripe tomatoes and softening onions and garlic in a little oil. Add cumin and chili for warmth, pour in stock, simmer gently to meld flavors, then blend until smooth. Taste for salt, add a pinch of sugar or a splash of cream if needed, and serve garnished with fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil. Gather fresh tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, and basic spices before you start. Measure stock at about 2 cups and keep cream optional for richness. Preheat the oven for roasting, chop vegetables uniformly for even cooking, and have a blender or immersion tool ready. This prep makes the cooking flow smoothly and keeps the soup vibrant. If you want a smoky note, char tomatoes lightly under high heat before roasting. Roast tomatoes until skins blister and flavors concentrate, then sauté onions and garlic to build aroma. Add cumin, chili, and the roasted vegetables, pour in stock, and simmer briefly to marry flavors. Use a blender or immersion blender to achieve a smooth, velvety texture, then strain if you prefer an extra silky finish. Adjust seasoning, stir in a splash of cream or a pinch of sugar to balance acidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.